Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Going to show you today in this video some Bolex safety when working on certain things such as the clutch motor here. Alright, so you got to make sure you have all this safety equipment on because this spring can cause extreme harm to human flesh. Let's get started. Okay, so when you're going to work on these spring motors and the Bolex cameras, this is the way you need to dress with the protective equipment. Okay, here's a little bit of footage of what happens when you're working with the main spring of a Bolex H16. You're putting it back into the barrel or taking it out, whichever the case may be, and your hand slips on the grease. So take a good look at this and take a look at the power behind one of those springs and what can go wrong.
At the very least.
So, as you can see, the extreme power in a Bolex spring and the clutch barrel. Do wear your protective gear upon that you want to go that far and be so brave and make the repair of replacing the main spring and or cleaning it. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, questions, and servicing. The same at email at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Click that bell down there and subscribe. And for gory experimental horror films, visit Morbid Team Entertainment FB page. Until next time, see ya.